call me Daddy. Oh, come on, Daddy. So you have to call me Daddy too. Ow. It's so good. You're purr. Wait. Now push it in. Are you in? No, do this. You have to do it right here so it gets on camera. So like this. Bend over and say and spell run 3 times.
Are you in? Are you?
No, right here. Like bend down.
Are you?
Stand up like this. Over like my. Stand up. Like that? No. What? Oh, like this. Spell run. Yes.
Are you in? What?
Why? Yeah, are you in? I'm gonna do it now. Ew, I think I licked your thing on accident. Are you in? Are you in? Are you in? Okay. No. Okay. We gotta push it again that way. Pull it that way. Okay. Oh, I see the problem. Wait. Take this out. Bitch, just put it in! You would like that. Now, you see? Wait. You
go.
See? Is it in good now?
It's in.
Oh no. Full. Okay. There. Push it in. Okay. Now what do we do? Put that like. I know what's the issue. No, we cannot. My scarf. What the heck is it going down here? No, that's not gonna fit there. It will. What are you doing? I knew you were doing something retarded. Okay, now push it in. Now, Daddy? It's going in. Oh my god. Push it in while I do this. Oh shit. Oh! I got it. No, I got it. I found what the issue was. But I helped a lot. Okay? Okay, Daddy. Yeah, but you better call me Daddy. Bitch, don't call me Daddy. Don't call me bitch. I'm a motherfucking daddy. I'm your daddy. I'm your daddy. Are you gonna stack? Oh, you're so sad. Nah, nigga, nah. Oh my god, are you okay? Remember when you wanted to throw up in French? You didn't let me? What about you would have throw up on me? That would have been funnier. We would have. What the fuck? We were playing. You're scary. Shake it like a saw. Shake it like a saw. Bitch. Do it again. Let's go do it again.
Okay.
Wait, turn off the music. We can dance to it.
Oh, okay. Want me to do it?